Hello everybody, do you want to know how to make your own mask without any cost? What you can use is only pair of scissors. I have a small one, and a thread and a needle and your old bra. So there are only three things: pair of scissors, thread and a needle, and your old bra. If you don't have any old bra, you can maybe borrow your mom's bra or your grandma's bra. All right, this one I already cut it and sew this part right here, so the ones that connected here in the middle, and cut that part right here, and so it looks like this. What you're gonna do is just leave this side right here and connect down here. First you have to measure your ear, it fits, and the same thing, use your other ones that hold the other end. Okay, holds the other end. All right, and so what you're gonna do is sew this part right here and connect the other holder, and you sew this part right here and you sew the other end, so it'll be looking like this, like that. And so you can have like in 95 look alike. All right, hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.